A Bloody Mary is a cocktail that is both savory and spicy, perfect for brunch or any time you want a flavorful pick-me-up. You will need the following ingredients. 2 ounces vodka. Use a good quality vodka for the best taste. 4 ounces tomato juice. Fresh or high-quality tomato juice recommended. Half an ounce lemon juice. Freshly squeezed is best. 2 dashes Worcestershire sauce. 2 dashes hot sauce. Adjust to taste. Tabasco is a popular choice. 1 pinch sea salt. 1 pinch black pepper. Freshly ground preferred. 1 pinch smoked paprika. Optional for an extra smoky flavor. 1 stick celery. For garnish, 1 lemon wedge. For garnish, 1 green olive. For garnish. For equipment, you will need mixing glass, bar spoon, highball glass, jigger, strainer. Here are the instructions. Fill the mixing glass with ice. Add the vodka, tomato juice, and lemon juice to the mixing glass. Add the Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, sea salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika, if using. Stir the mixture gently with the bar spoon until well combined and chilled. Strain the mixture into a highball glass filled with ice. Garnish with the celery stick, lemon wedge, and green olive. The Bloody Mary is believed to have been invented in the 1920s or 1930s. Its name is often associated with Queen Mary I of England, known for her bloody reign, but the exact origin of the name is still a mystery.